What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be heading over to the Octurbofest car show that's being put on by Wicked and Peaked. So I'm going to get the car cleaned up and then we're going to head over there. This is a perfect example of why you use the 2-bucket system. So this is the dirty water bucket, this is the clean bucket. As you can see, you do not want any of that getting dragged through your paint. You can see at the bottom there's all kinds of crusties and stuff. All right guys, we are on our way to the car show now, so I'll see you there. Car show.
There we go. This thing's so quiet. You're all good.
Awesome, thanks.
Yeah, like what the hell, Corvette owners.
Well guys, I just got to the car show and it looks like people are still rolling in. It's a little bit early, so we'll see how it turns out. Oh yes, we got the fellow Corvette brethren parked next to us. And I'm just in here being antisocial because I'm waiting for my friends to show up. This is Kyle's badass Miata. What do we got here?
So we have a 4L60E transmission, a little bit built, nothing too crazy, but built enough to keep this thing on the road. We have an LS1 with a couple little LS6 parts in it, and a lot of hopes and dreams on staying alive when I make it all the shows.
Hell
lots
yeah,
of fun.
And my man is a wizard with the bodywork, so that's his next project on this thing. So excited to see how this thing turns out.
Yeah, man, we'll have to get it on the channel once it's done. For sure, for sure.
We got the Chevelle. Dude, that's sick. Dude, this slammed S4. Let's go. Sick Supra with a absolutely monstrous turbo on it. RS3. And we got this super clean BMW over here. The twin turbo 5.0. She's a little weepy, but it's okay. Still sick. We got the Jurassic World security with the dinosaur over here. Pretty sweet.
Backing it up.
Tony's got a pretty sweet trunk or treat setup. All right, everybody look at this badass Camaro. What is done to this thing?
We got a TH400 on it for transmission.
Got a 88mm turbo, 9-inch rear end, pushing about like 900 horsepower on it.
900. That is so sweet.
Runs 9s, low 9s, this elevation here in Vandermeer, so trying to get it a little faster.
That's badass, dude. Hell yeah.
Thanks, man.
Very nice. Charge C6, super clean. Just looking at some Hot Wheels over here.
Follow 719 Hot Wheels on Instagram.
Hi guys, I'm Jackie with Showcar Auto Spa. I'm part owner of Showcar Auto Spa. We own the mobile side. Here is our slam detail van. We also have and make our own detailing products. Who makes best detailing products other than detailers themselves, right?
Absolutely.
We have interior, exterior, everything you need.
You guys make sure to give them a follow and check them out on TikTok and Instagram. Well, I saved a spot for my boy Matt, and he shows up empty-handed.
With my car right here, did you see it? Grounding issues. If you get one of these, you'll know.
Yep. We talked about it in the video, in the C5 issues video, but
they got me.
Damn. And what else did you do to your car? I heard that you took it off bags.
It's gone back to stock, all the way back to stock. So
damn.
We have a true stock to stock when it's all done.
That is true. That is very true.
It'll be a good time.
Yeah, and we might have to come out with a pros and cons of bags on your C5 video next.
I mean, I wouldn't do it again, but yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Well guys, we just finished up here. We got to hang out with a lot of cool friends and see a lot of cool cars. So thank you so much to Wicked and Peaked for putting on the show. And as always guys, if you enjoyed that content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.